Welcome back, HARBROs, to the HARBRO channel. Quality videos, lowest prices. Today we're gonna go over the new dollar days, the March dollar days, starting the 12th through the 25th. If you find this useful or helpful, please consider liking and subscribing, supporting the channel, hyping. And let's jump in. Today is Saturday. Parking lot sale is still going on through the 8th, today and tomorrow. Our video yesterday broke down the best deals. Still no instant savings, but let's go through the dollar days because we love our dollar days. And again, these don't start until the 12th. Don't go to the store, try to use these coupons. They start the 12th, starting with the 16-ounce hand soap orange scent, $1.49 49% off, normally $1.99. Help keep your hands clean. Gentle residue free. Contains pumice. Contiene piedra pómez. No residuos. Talc help. A lot of words on here. Petroleum free hand soap that cleans off tough dirt. Next, super glue gel. Super glue gel. Has it always said super glue gel? Super glue gel. 3-pack. $1, normally $2. 49% off. Compared to Loctite, and I want to look real quick to what people are fixing. I call it crazy glue, 3 stars. Put the hiking boots back on the trail. Those might need to be retired, but I guess not yet. Not too many pictures of the super glue usage, but we continue. Pittsburgh micro spring clamp set. These are the ones I actually wanted to look at to see. HARBROs have told me what they use them. They use them for crisps. The mini clamp set, 6-pack, $1, normally $2. Always great to pick up. 90-day warranty. Look at this clever use. Good clamps for DIY hat rack. Clever girl. Some clips for some fishing rods. Hold our lures and our rods and not tangling when the rods are not being used. Super clever. You literally use them for everything. St. Patrick's Day is coming up. Cereal, that's the classic use. Glued down some epoxy clips, some mini clamps to hold it in place while it glues. Used for rope lights. And there it is. Used it for some crisps. Or chips. I say crisps because I like to pretend that I'm British. Excellent for model building. Anyways, unlimited use for these. We keep going. Gordon utility blades with dispenser, 10-pack, $1. Normally $2, 49% off. Great to just have some spare blades, especially from Gordon. Paracord, 1/8 inch by 50 foot with 160-pound capacity, $2, normally $3, 33% off. The number 2 by 4-inch Phillips screwdriver, $2, normally $2.50. I say only 19% off. That's not too bad, but I expect more out of the dollar days. $2, normally $2.50. It's a nice looking screwdriver. Looks like a magnetic tip. Lifetime warranty. We keep going. Pittsburgh again, lifetime warranty. 4.5-inch diagonal cutters. $2, normally $3 compared to Cobalt. 36-inch pickup and reach tool for $2. Also normally $3, 33% off. Luminar. This is a brand new Luminar everyday 100 lumen swivel lens LED headlamp. So some light, $2, normally $4, 49% off. Good deal there. $2 for a headlamp. That feels great. Feels like a great deal. 12-inch pry bar from Pittsburgh, lifetime warranty. $3, normally $6, also 49% off. Great deal. Pittsburgh's lifetime warranty 7-inch wire stripper. With a cutter, $3, normally $6, also 49% off. Excellent deal on this wire stripper. Some strippers are expensive, some are a little bit more affordable, but still get the job done. 4-inch brass garden hose nozzle for $4, normally $5, 19% off. That's a good size, 4-inch. Merlin's 1/4-inch industrial, automotive, and ARO style universal coupler. Your choice of male or female. $4, normally $4.69, 14% off. Merlin again, 3/8 inch by 3-foot rubber air hose lead 1/4-inch fittings, $4, normally $5, 19% off. The Warrior 1/4-inch to 3/4-inch number 3 titanium step drill bit, 9 steps, $4, normally $6, 33% off compared to Nico. That's interesting. Then we have Pittsburgh again, of course, lifetime warranty, adjustable pin spanner wrench. $4, normally $8, 49% off. We keep going. Storehouse in the house storage hook set, 20-piece, $4, normally $6, 33% off. And that seems great. 20-piece different assortments of hooks, wide selection of storage hooks. Almost 1,000 reviews. Bad. Hooks are terrible. To great quality for the price. Bikes, genius. Tools. This is great. All of this off of the ground. Worked great to hang floor jack handle. Great buy for the product use. Look at that. All right. 3 out of 4. With the Hallmaster E-Track tie-off strap with D-ring. Always fun. $5. Only $6, 16% off. HARBRO's Dollar Days 8-foot 6-inch by 11-foot 4-inch all-purpose weather-resistant 4mm tarp. $6, normally $8, 24% off. Chicago Electric premium welding gloves for $6, normally $7, 14% off. And we have another caliper. I have a caliper every few weeks. This is the Pittsburgh 6-inch composite digital caliper, $6, normally $10, 39% off, almost 40% off. We will look at the reviews for this digital caliper, metric and SAE with an LCD screen used for inside, outside, depth and step measurements. Accurately measure within plus or minus 0.01 inches. It's nuts. For $6, measures up to 6 inches. Perfect. Don't need to go much more than that. Throat depth, can measure that. What kind of caliper is this? 1 9/16 inch outside jaw to 5/8 inch inside jaw. Large, high-resolution LCD, durable and light. Battery included. 90-day warranty. Almost 1,600 reviews. Great bargain. Bought it for under $10. Reading to the 100th digit. Comes ready with the battery. Great instrument for hobby or home use. Perfect use. Perfect and light to measure bicycle parts. Best $10 I ever spent. And here we are at $6. Well worth the small price. Great caliper for the money. Great tools. I love it. Calipers always get me going. I'm glad this has great throat depth. And I'm glad it measures up to 6 inches. $6, almost 40% off. Great deal. Pittsburgh's lifetime warranty, 1 1/4 pound fiberglass axe for $7. Normally $9, 22% off compared to Fisker's. Chicago Electric high-speed steel rotary saw blade set, 6-piece. $7, normally $10, 29% off compared to Dremel. And we have a Badland alert. The 3/4 inch D-ring shackle. Your choice of color, red or black. And don't discriminate, go with red as well. Once you go $8, normally $11, 27% off compared to Smitty Built. And those are our dollar days. Starting March 12th, our March dollar days. I feel like some decent ones. Always love a caliper when it's on here. $6 is a great price if you don't have it. If you don't have one, $6 tarp, great deal. Anything to do with D-rings is always fun. $3 wire stripper, $3 12-inch pry bar, diagonal cutters are clutch, even a lamp, screwdriver you can put together something. And of course the Harbor Freight Classic micro springs and super glue gel. What do the Harbros think? This will be post parking lot sale, but we'll see what deals and weekend deals they have going on from the 12th to the 25th. And of course, that's when we pick them up. But I'll leave it at that, Harbros. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you've made multiple trips to the parking lot sale. But either way, happy shopping, happy Harbor Freighting. Good luck out there. Again, please consider liking and subscribing. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.